in digital marketing.
Hi, I'm Mei Ling. I work at a hospital.
9 to 5, I'm always in my office dresses, and it gets a bit boring sometimes.
The usual plain black and white, nothing very fanciful.
What I really hope to achieve out of this workshop, right, is to maybe explore a bit of my personality.
Some occasional pieces that are refreshing.
When you first walked through, I realized that you actually have natural curls in your hair. When you have natural curls, enjoy it. Use not too much product, just finger it through your hair every morning and give it a nice volume to your hair. I remember you telling me like you are really the get up and go girl,
yes,
right? You're
I
not
am
gonna spend
fuss-free.
fuss-free. You're not gonna spend like half an hour figuring out what hair to do and stuff like that. So bun it up and give your eyes a little liner, a kick, red lips, and you're good to go.
I rarely wear makeup, so it's like a nice burst of color.
So let's get you into the outfit.
Okay.
We're gonna put you in your outfit.
Okay.
You ready for that?
Yes, I am.
Okay. Ta-da! Wow!
Wow.
Hey, are you ready,
here.
Mei Ling?
Yes, I'm here.
Wow.
Yes.
I think you look great because, you know, it gives you a whole new different proportion. And if you want, you can remove the belt sometimes. You can throw a cardigan over in the office when it gets a little cold. So this is still smart enough. You can play with it layering when it's cold. I think you look really great. For your size and your proportions, I think, you know, explore dots, stripes, or the petit fleur, the little flowers.
Okay.
You're great to go to work, and you're perfect to hang out with your friends after work, right?
Yeah,
I mean, this is a real nice hangout look, right?
Just my kind of look.
Woohoo!
I feel really refreshed, like in terms of my look and my style. It's good that I'm exploring prints now because I don't really do prints.
Feel different? Feel good? Feel like you want to go do something.
You know, looking good doesn't have to cost the earth. Look at what we've done with these great pieces from Uniqlo. And you can actually find out more how to get them to work even better together on Style Switch. CNA Lifestyle. See you there.